Zone7's latest Insight Zone 2014 event, Enterprise Mobility, will be launched in May and will feature exclusive insights from industry thought leaders, plus a unique analyst's point of view from Rob Bamforth at Quo Circa. Zone7 has brought together key industry professionals and asked them the questions you've always wanted to ask, to provide the answers for better informed decision-making. Learn how to track and manage mobile devices from Philip Barnett at Good Technology. The criteria for effective corporate bring-your-own-device policies from Farhad Qureshi from HP. The solutions available for storing and archiving mobile content from Andrew Fryer at Microsoft. The pros and cons of mobile cloud solutions from Jez Breslaw from Excellion. And methods of mobile encryption and device security. Register free online now and gain access to the exclusive Insight Zone events. And be the first to view our Enterprise Mobility Virtual Roundtable and executive interviews. Zone7, helping organizations and content professionals better understand effective enterprise document and content management.